Hey guys, it's Battle Cats time. So, I'm getting good news on my account. The problem is, I restarted it again, and I got an Uber, and it's Papaland Passaland, known as the worst Uber in the game. But I'm still using him because he's like 5 times better than Valkyrie. So, I am just gonna show you guys, basically, I can't really do a reaction to stuff first time. Like, I'm not gonna look at XP stage and then be like, oh! But, I'll try, like, horror. Oh, nope, I already lost that. I'm not doing that then. I'll do Showdown Part 6 with you guys. I didn't mean to click that button. Okay. So, listen. Do you hear that? It's music. Yeah, I figured out a way to get actual sound in here so it doesn't sound oddly quiet. So I got a cat that I really like. It's Cutter Saw Cat. I actually really like him. The thing is, no matter what they do, they'll never replace Can. Just like Photoshop like crying eyes onto me. Editor, which is also me. I don't know. My eyes actually itch. Ah! I put an eyelash in my own eye. Sabotage! Get wrecked! Here's massive damage to Red. So you did do pretty good there. Bonk! You better not touch anything. You are lame. Ow! Okay, so, yeah, I got a couple better starter cats. Like, for example, Artist. Ow! 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 You stop it! Stop it! Bonk! Whoa. So, yeah, we have an old dude who I sent out instead of Bahamut, because, you know, I'm quarter intelligent. Boom! If you don't know what quarter intelligent is, it's a meme about, Pennywise. There's also, currency smart, I believe. And, I don't know, it's a good meme, but but when you explain a meme to somebody, it isn't funny. And that's because memes are visual. I can't speak! Ow! Oh, this is my chance! This is ow! This is where it stops! This is where it ends! I'm citing Steven Universe because my commentary is bad. That is one of the best songs in existence, by the way. Wah! Boom! Ow! Ow! Boom! Boom! Come on! Please! I can't start off the episode of a new account with me losing. Okay, well I can, but it would be very, very sad. Yes! Go to hell! No! No! This is like one of the most intense battles in Intense. Also, I'm probably gonna try to beat Hanyo when I get back onto my own account. If I get Rocat, which I'll try to get. I'll try to get Swordsman Cat's true form. Maybe that'll help, I don't know. And I'm getting Pizza Cat, which, according to Matt Shea, is really good. Whoop, bonk! Which I am getting my main account back. I can tell you guys that. It's not a maybe, it's a definitely. Listen to the sweet sounds of release. King of the bogus. Woo, yeah. So, probably just okay. Also, I was playing through this, and I made it to, the moon. So, with absolutely no good units in my loadout, and no good units in general, I don't think I should try it. That never stopped me before, so let's go! I mean, even on the regular account, I got the crazy cats first. I don't like that. You have very black holy holes, sir. Madam. Weird slug that's gonna kill me. Okay, well, if you're gonna turn my insides to outsides, can you just start with my mouth? Or, like, yeah. Because that will be a more painless death. And this thing does not look like it has very much mercy. So, shit. You're gay! You've been diagnosed with gay. Please consult your consultant. Consultants are real things, so making jokes about them is not even offensive. Because a consultant isn't a minority group. And also, I mean, I've never met a consultant. Because I don't know. Because I have no friends. And I'm 13, so. Whoop! Bonk! No, you walked straight into that guy's line of fire. You're not the smartest banana in the, Five Nights at Flumpty's. Let's go. No, you better not, no, you touched Bahamut. You can't touch him. He's very fragile. He's an upstanding person with an upstanding personality. And, oh no, he's committing mass murder. Ow. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. No. Whoop! Bonk. I'm losing. Stop it. Stop with your weird laser force field NES graphics grid thing. Ow, my face hole. No, don't touch him. Don't touch him. You already touched Bahamut and I disapproved that. Oh, please don't send out anything more. I'm losing as is. By the way, I have all the anti-alien treasures maxed out. The problem is, my cats aren't very, good. I mean, I can't even get Paris to level 30 to get her true form. Oh, bonk, bonk. Come on. Go to hell. That didn't work. My words of unencouragement never work. Ow. No, you can't freeze a solar system? How does a solar system lose to the moon? No. Attack! Ah, shit. What is happening? Why is everything dying? What are you? What is this thing? I can't win. No, you don't. Please go away. I am gonna freaking die. Oh my god, you're gay. Ah. Oh, come Well, that went terribly. What are we doing, this? What are the blitz stages? Ooh, experience! No, I can't afford that. Why do I have to be poor? Oh, well, now I'm even poorer. The Cursed Springs, Horror of the Waters. I don't want to do that. How about we do, something like, yeah. Passionland! And onwards! Ah. Well. I'm slowly learning how to do this. So, by the way, the way I learned how the actual volume on my phone affects the value of the thing in the game is by trial and error and actually looking at my very first video where it wasn't very good. You can't really figure out what's happening. So I'm just gonna send a couple artists out, and then they're gonna be like, I'm gonna art you! And then he's gonna be like, art? More like, you're stupid. And then I'm gonna smack him, and then he's gonna be like, ah! I punch him, he falls down, I win! This is very, direct communication here. I am winner! I got sprockets! Okay, Cringetopia is over. Woo, yeah! Anyways, that's the end of Battle Cats. See ya, my dudes! Later, my dudes! Bye!